Okay, so welcome back to another episode of Youngvirus Official. Today we're looking at how to solve algebraic expression. I mean simple ways to solve algebraic expressions. We have two questions here, so without wasting much time, we'll be starting with our first question. So with our first question, we have solution. And with our first question, we have 2a plus 4b over 3 minus 3a 4b over 2. Yes, I know most of you just have taught you a lot of things, but with this, we just multiply these two. So multiplying the 2 here, 2 times 3, we have 6. 2 times this, so we have 2 times 2a plus 4b. Then minus 3 will go here, so 2 times, sorry. So these two going to 6 3 times 3 times 3, giving us 9ab. Then we move on by expanding this side, and let's expand this side. So 2 times 2, 4a plus 8b minus 9a. Since negative and negative, so we're going to plus 9b all over 6. Kindly group like terms at the top, and that will be all. So grouping like terms, we have 4a minus 9a, which is giving us what? 5, negative 5a. Now 8b plus 9b, which is giving us what? Plus 17b over 6. So that will be all for what? The first question. Like I said, algebraic expression is one type of question that repeats itself in every year-to-year questions or year-to-year examination. Now let's look at the second question. The second question looks a little bit kind of difficult. So like I said, don't look for LCM when you're solving it, just multiply the two. So let's solve the second question. 3 over m plus n minus 2 over m minus 3n. Yes. So what you have to do here is that you multiply the two. So m plus n, m minus 3n. So you bring this side because more like a cross multiplication. So this side multiplies this side also multiplies that. So we get 3, then m minus 3n minus 2, then m plus n. Moving on, we have 3m minus 9n minus 2m plus, negative is what? Negative. Minus 2n all over m plus n, then m minus 3n. For now, don't touch this because you have to solve for this. We are just expanding it since it's an expression. We deal with the top ones. See if you can see any like terms. We already know there's n here, there's n here, there's m, there's also m here. So you group the like terms somewhere, but you solve straight away. Like I said, these are shortcuts in solving mathematics. So we have negative 9 here, negative 9 here, and they all have the same common variable, which their variable happens to be 9. So negative 9 minus 9 is just like 9 plus 2. So we're going to get negative 11n. Now we have 3m, we have 2m. But here is negative, here is positive. So plus n over what? M plus n, then m minus 3n. Since this is a denominator, you don't have to expand it. You can leave it like this and you get answer correct. So basically, these two are simple ways in solving what? Algebraic expression. Like I said, when you've been given a question like this and the denominators are numbers or figures, multiply the 2, you get 6. 6. 3 goes into 6 2 times, so the 2 times the whole of this. 2 goes into 6 3 times, the 3 times the whole of this. So 9 here because 3 times 3 is 9. Then when you move to the second step, you expand everything. After expanding, group like terms somewhere and simplify. That's how come you had this first question done. Now with the second question, you can note here that the LCM here are numbers with letters. So in that case, the 2 becomes our LCM. You move on with the same process as we did with this, and here you go by finding your answers. Stay tuned. There will be more videos as time goes on. Thank you.
Please,